Hi friends, welcome to Start English. You studied English for years. You know the grammar, you know the words, but the moment someone speaks to you, everything disappears. Your mouth opens, but nothing comes out. That's not a language problem, that's a brain training problem. And today, we fix it. Here is the truth, your English is not weak, your brain is just too slow. Today, I'll show you 5 unusual habits that train your brain to react in English automatically. And habit number 5 is the reason some people become confident speakers much faster than everyone else. Most learners think speaking problems come from grammar mistakes. Wrong. The real problem is reaction speed. Your brain is doing too many things at once. First, you hear English, then you translate it, then you create an answer. Then you translate your answer back into English again. That entire process takes too long. Meanwhile, the conversation keeps moving. That's why speaking feels stressful. But fluent speakers don't translate sentence by sentence, they react instantly. And your brain can learn this too. Let's test your brain right now. I'll show you something. You have only 3 seconds to describe it in English. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What did you say? Maybe a busy market? A tired student? A man drinking tea? Good. Your goal is not perfect grammar. Your goal is fast reaction. Because in real conversations, you don't get 20 seconds to think. This exercise trains your brain to respond quickly instead of translating slowly. Do this every day with random Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, or photos around you. 5 minutes daily is enough. And over time, your brain starts reacting automatically. Most learners study English. Smart learners copy English. Huge difference. Textbook English sounds robotic. Real English sounds emotional and natural. So stop memorizing boring sentences. Instead, copy real people. Pick your favorite YouTuber, actor, streamer, or podcast. Listen to one short sentence. Pause. Then repeat it with the same energy and emotion, not like a student, like an actor copying another actor. For example, no way, you're kidding, that's insane. Tiny expressions like these make your English sound alive. And here's the secret, fluency is not only vocabulary, it's a rhythm, emotion, reaction speed. That's what native speakers actually hear. A student named Rahul had a strange habit. Before speaking English, he tried building the perfect sentence inside his head first. The result? He spoke very slowly. Sometimes he stayed silent completely. One day, his friend told him something simple. Stop trying to sound smart, just react naturally. That advice changed everything. Rahul stopped chasing perfect grammar. Instead, he focused on quick, simple communication. And surprisingly, people understood him more because communication is not about perfection, it's about connection. And Rahul discovered something important. Natural reactions matter more than difficult vocabulary. But how do you make English feel natural instead of academic? That leads to habit number 3. Most learners practice English for 30 minutes, then disappear into their native language for the next 23 hours. That's the problem. Your brain treats English like homework instead of real life. So change your environment. Small changes make a huge difference. Switch your phone language to English Watch English reels while eating. Read comments in English. Follow meme pages in English. Listen to English audio while traveling. The goal is simple: make English feel normal around you because your brain learns faster from exposure than from pressure. Quick question: which habit feels hardest for you right now? The fast reactions, speaking naturally, or using English daily? Think about your answer because the next habit is the most powerful one for memory. Here, something most learners never realize: your brain remembers emotions faster than information. That's why you forget vocabulary lists but remember movie dialogues for years. So stop memorizing random words. Instead, learn emotional sentences. For example, I'm exhausted. That scared me. I can't believe this. This tastes incredible. These phrases connect to real feelings, and emotional language stays inside your memory longer. This is exactly why movies improve English faster than textbooks for many learners, because emotions create stronger memory connections. Now, here is the truth: nobody likes hearing. Confidence doesn't come before speaking, confidence comes after speaking badly many times. Most learners wait for this magical moment. One day I'll become fluent, then I'll speak confidently. But that moment never comes. Fluent speakers become fluent because they were willing to sound imperfect first. They made mistakes, forgot words, felt embarrassed, spoke broken English, but they continued anyway. That's the real secret. Consistency beats talent every single time. So, if your English feels slow right now, don't panic. Your brain is not failing, it is simply training. And every time you react quickly, copy natural speech or use English in daily life, you are rewiring your brain little by little. Then one day, something amazing happens. Someone speaks to you in English, and for the first time, you answer automatically. No translating, no freezing, no fear. Just natural communication. And that moment changes everything. If you are serious about improving your English, comment below. My brain is learning English naturally. And subscribe Dad English training videos. Thank you.